Did you know that there are around 300 versions of the Ramayana and the central story varies from one to the other? In the original Valmiki Ramayana, Ram is a man, not God. In Tulsi Das's Ramcharitmanas, he becomes an avatar of Vishnu. In the Adbhut Ramayana, it is Sita who takes on the form of Mahakali to kill Ravan. In the Anand Ramayana, there is an abduction of Ram's mother Kaushalya. In the Adhyatma Ramayana, the person abducted is not the real Sita, but an illusion of Sita. In the Kamb Ramayana, Sita is abducted by lifting the very ground on which she is standing. In the Jain Ramayana, Ravan is killed by Lakshman, not Ram. There is the Buddhist Ramayana in which Ram is a Bodhisattva. There is the Malabari Muslim Mapilla Ramayana in which Ram is described as a sultan. In Indonesia, there is the Ramayana Kakavina. In this, the 7 wives of Indrajit fight along with their husband. In Cambodia's version, called the Reemkar, there is a romance between Hanuman and a mermaid. In Thailand's version, the Ramakien, Sita is the daughter of Ravan and Mandodri. Then there is Malaysia's Hikayat Seri Ram, in which it is the roots and leaves of Nabi Adam's tree that are used instead of the Sanjeevani. My advice, don't worry about the differences in the storyline. Just think whether 300 versions about someone called Ram would have ever been written if he had never existed.